Febatt is a high-tech enterprise that provides global users with lithium battery system solutions and various customized products. The company integrates advanced research and development centers, precision testing laboratories, efficient battery assembly workshops, and rigorous safety laboratories, providing comprehensive, one-stop solid support for the research, production, and testing of lithium battery products, laying a solid foundation for its high-end manufacturing in the lithium battery industry. The company's R&D team consists of software and hardware teams. With deep expertise and rich practical experience, they lead the company in continuously exploring the forefront of lithium battery technology, aiming to develop more competitive and innovative lithium battery system solutions. Febatt's business scope precisely covers areas such as two-wheelers, three-wheelers, personal mobility vehicles, battery swapping services, and personalized requirements for special specifications. With a customer-oriented approach, our team focuses on customized lithium battery modules, leveraging the completeness and professionalism of our technical categories to tailor one-stop customized solutions and products for global customers, winning widespread recognition and trust in the market with efficient, high-quality service. We have established solid strategic partnerships with leading global battery cell brands such as BYD, CBAK, CATL, EVA, and Ampace, aiming to jointly promote the advancement of battery technology and iterative optimization of product performance. This collaboration not only brings high-quality products and services to our customers, but also allows us to look forward to exploring the future of battery technology with these partners, shaping a new chapter in green energy together. Febatt your power.